In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Trello board ID, 5 minutes. If you're connecting Trello to other tools, building automations, or using the API, you'll often be asked for a board ID. I'll show you 2 simple ways to get it, and you can use whichever feels more comfortable. First, sign into Trello in a desktop browser. Make sure you're logged into the account that has access to the board you want. Once you're in, open the board whose ID you need. Double-check you've selected the correct board, especially if you have several with similar names. Method 1 is the quickest. With your board open, click into your browser's address bar and add .json to the very end of the board's URL, then press enter. Your browser will load the board's data in JSON format. Don't worry if it looks technical. We only need one piece of information. At the very top of that output, you'll see a key labeled ID. The long string of letters and numbers next to it is your board ID. Highlight it carefully and copy it. If the page looks compressed or hard to read, that's normal. Some browsers show it all on one line. You can still copy the ID from the beginning of the data. If you prefer to download the data instead, use the menu inside the board. Open the 3 dots or more menu, then choose Print, Export, and Share. From there, select Export as JSON. Your browser will download a JSON file with all the data for this board. Open that downloaded file in a text editor or a JSON viewer for better readability. In most editors, you can use the search function and look for ID to jump right to it. The first top-level ID you see at the beginning of the file is the board ID you're after. While you're in there, you'll also notice IDs for lists, cards, and other elements, which can be handy for more advanced workflows. Once you've copied the board ID, store it somewhere safe and label it clearly so you can reuse it later. Keep in mind that this ID is part of your workspace data, so treat it with the same care you'd give to any project details. That's it. Sign in, open the board, either view the JSON directly in the browser or export it first and then copy the value next to ID at the top. You now have your Trello board ID ready for integrations and automations.